I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year.
Mimi Lele! Wow! Yes! Ooh!
Wow! Oh no!
Hi friends, so today I made a book. So it says, by Amelia. My name is in cursive. Flower. You can see I did the details so this one says you. And this book is about how we express myself. So it says love. I did a little card with a heart inside. I did some details here that says love on the card. This is happy. I kind of did a yellow color. And you can see here is Harry Potter. I kind of did the little line that Harry Potter has. Bye friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Mwah.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running